There's no requirement to show you or tell you who I am. I'm not breaking any laws, sir. Hold on, let me get this.
A routine night takes a sharp turn when officers suspect a driver is impaired. What begins as a simple traffic stop quickly turns tense, testing patience, authority, and the fine line between cooperation and conflict.
Sir?
What are we doing wrong now?
What are we doing wrong now?
We got a call about you guys.
We're not doing anything wrong, sir. How can I assist you today?
We got a call about someone going crazy.
No one's going crazy.
Well, it's not what we got called about.
Okay, well, you see me live and regular right now. There's more cars pulling up, by the way.
Just listen to music.
Hey, I'm just listening to music and dancing.
Do like this, you're just going back to him like that. Okay. Not acting crazy.
Not at all, sir. You need to see my face? I say you need to see my eyes? I'm not going crazy at all. I'm just listening to music, having a great day. It's a little cardio exercise that I do.
Make sure and keep your hands away from your gun, please.
Absolutely, sir. But if it fall, I gotta secure it, because it'll be concealed.
Well, I don't have any concern for you. You can go and do whatever you want. We got a call about you being armed.
Okay, yes, I am armed, sir, and this is an open carry state, correct? This is an open carry state, correct?
Arizona is indeed an open carry state, meaning you can carry a firearm openly without a permit if you are 18 or older and legally allowed to possess a gun. Police may still respond to calls, but open carry alone is not grounds for arrest.
And he hasn't touched her.
Absolutely, and I haven't touched my gun at all, sir. This is gonna be every day, y'all. Y'all see this?
We got a call about you acting inappropriate, though. Can you tell me what state you're in?
We're in the state of Arizona. We're in Glendale 85301. In proficiency, in parentheses 9998, and the date is the 21st, sir. Thank you very much. You know the month. I'ma just say 8, infinity, numerical. Yep, they keep pushing up on me, man. They're trying to violate me, set me up. They're trying to lie and say people keep calling the cops on me, but that's a lie. They're trying to act like I'm crazy and things of that sort. I'm talking to the cops regular right now, so if they got multiple 911 calls, this stuff is coming very clear. No, he don't have to move, sir.
So go ahead and step back.
He's not hurting anyone or harming anyone.
Controlling this scene. I'll step back.
Yeah, please step back for your own security.
You can have those signs up all you want, but I am going to ask you to step a little bit further back, okay?
That's wild. Absolutely. I can't listen to music and dance, right? Absolutely. It's a cardio exercise that I do. And one of the other, excuse
The
me.
problem is we got multiple 911 calls, so we have to do our due diligence.
That, absolutely. Yes, sir. Excuse me? Who are you, sir? I don't know who you are. Could you show me 3 forms of ID, sir?
Officer.
That don't mean nothing to me, sir. That does not mean anything to me. Could you show me 3 forms of ID and I can tell you who I am?
There's no requirement for me to show you.
There's no requirement to show you or tell you who I am. I'm not breaking any laws, sir. When you see 3 no, those not 3 forms of ID. I need 3 proper forms of ID, sir. I need an oath and a bond along with another form of ID. No, sir. This is an open carry state. Thank you. Nice try.
No one's gonna cap.
This recorded.
I'm not going for my gun.
I know, because I got pictures, and I don't know your identity. I don't know the identity.
Can I get your last name, please?
Could you show me 3 forms of ID, sir?
You got my last name. I want your last name.
Bay. That's not a name. It's a title. Bay. B-E-Y.
Okay. Again, can I please get your last name?
I just told you, sir. I have a title, which is also my last name, and it's Bay.
Okay. Again.
Absolutely. I just told you again, sir. Can you show me 3 forms of ID?
Listen.
I don't know who you are. I'm investigating as well.
Investigating.
There's no crime. I'm not putting anyone in danger.
Got a call from multiple people about male subject that's armed acting inappropriate.
I'm not acting inappropriate, sir.
Please give me your last name.
Again, for the record, my title is Bay. B-E-Y. He keep asking me the same question over and over again, and I'm telling him, and he's not corroborating.
In the state of Arizona, you have to provide your true name and date of birth.
And I'm providing my true name and identity and everything else.
True name and date of birth.
I did that the other day, sir.
Okay, well, do it again for me.
Absolutely. Here you go, sir.
What is this? What is this?
You can open it up, sir. I'm tired of talking to you. I keep repeating myself. They got me surrounded right now, just in case anything happens. I do not have any weapons drawn or anything.
I'm not familiar with this ID.
No ignorance of the law is no excuse, sir. Oh, this is gonna go great, man, on worldwide international news. Absolutely. This is an open carry state. Yes, sir. I got the gold seals and everything. There's no problem, sir. When you all came to me, I stopped my music and I stopped dancing and I started talking regular. Hey, how you doing? Could you please talk to this, sir? I just seen you the other day and he's giving me a hard time. He's keep questioning me and I answered his questions and he's still not cooperating. I don't know who. You're not showing me 3 forms of ID. I keep showing you my identification and I don't have to. You still not showing me who you are. Hey, how you doing again? That's another guy that was there the other day.
Hey, you're on camera too.
Absolutely.
This is like the fourth call on this guy. Same guy.
This is an open carry state again, right, sir? The other day I had on jogging pants and you told me to conceal it. Today I have on my security belt and it's right there in my open carry. Nothing is going on, anything at all. I like to listen to music and dance. I was out here running miles earlier, things of that sort. I don't know why they keep calling you all.
Why do that?
I have no idea.
Hey, why do they keep calling?
Well, he just got that point of view and he doesn't want nothing to do with me.
Yeah, right, but why do
Well, I
they
can't talk to you.
You said you know why, so why is it?
I don't think pointed at like that.
Okay, so you said you know why.
Don't point back at them, sir. They might think that's a weapon. It's okay if I put this back in my possession?
You already did.
Probably, okay. I'm just saying.
Don't ask after.
I feel scared right now, intimidated, because y'all still haven't shown me 3 forms of ID. I didn't have to show you my identification, so you're trying. I don't know who you are. This is an open carry state. I don't know why you all keep responding to those calls. I don't know. I'm not doing anything. Is it illegal to dance and listen to music outside? That's a form of exercise, correct? To me, it is. No, not at all. Not in no car, all the loud stuff. I hear the wind and everything else. I hear you, sir. Let me keep the camera on him. He's too close to me right now. He's almost too close to me.
Me?
Almost, yeah, almost. You're not too close, but you're almost.
Any further away?
Let me see. Let me see the feet between us. Excuse me, sir. This is an open carry state, correct? The sunglasses. No. Gonzalez, this is an open carry state, correct, sir? Okay. You don't want to answer. Excuse me, sir. Everyone to honor the open Constitution, the Peace and Friendship Treaty that was established 1787. I'm doing my part, and I'm expecting other individuals to do their part here in America, and as we are doing internationally. We got 1 vehicle, 2 vehicle. I don't know why all these vehicles are here. Another vehicle right there.
LeBron fan?
No, I'm not a LeBron fan. I'm from Cleveland, Ohio as well. A dual citizen, sir.
I'm just asking if you're a LeBron fan.
Not at all.
Not at all?
I'm a Kyrie Irving fan. Yes, sir. I'm a Charles Barkley, Kevin Johnson fan. Phoenix Suns. That's why I came out here. Hopefully I get an opportunity before you all try to kill me. I play them all, sir. Whatever they need me to do, I'm going to do it. Play to win.
Just hide out and say you're a point guard or a shooting guard.
Yeah, I'm like Allen Iverson, man. They want me to play point guard, but I pull up 40 points, 20 points, 30 points. I can be a center. I box them out really well. And they slow. They legs too high and all the coordination messed up, all that. You know how it go. The taller you are, the slower you move, you know. Wow. Well, can I ask you a question? Am I being detained for open carrying out here in Arizona?
Momentarily, you are being detained until we figure out why the person called. And what about your behavior they didn't like? What about your behavior they didn't like?
Police can briefly detain you if they have reasonable suspicion of a crime, but someone didn't like your behavior is not the same as reasonable suspicion. They need specific facts that you are breaking the law.
They called. But as far as the open carry, no.
Well, I also been calling the FBI, and I've been seeing guys with larger guns, shotguns, machine guns, and things of that sort. Their skin tone is the color of y'all, and I've been calling, and no one has been responding to the calls.
We told you last time if you have that to call us.
I called you all. The calls are not going through or something. I don't know what's going
What
on.
number did you call?
I called 911.
Okay. While you're in the city limits of Glendale.
Hey, it was Ash what? Ash Monday? Ash Friday? Ash Sunday or something? He got the ashes on his face today. I know this is not the correct day for it. I'm a Catholic as well. If I was religious, I were religious and I'm spiritual. I found the truth. God has no religion. Wow, he didn't talk to me. He's talking to you. Excuse me, sir. Is this an open carry state?
Fucking over here now.
Okay, my gun is about to drop. Is that okay if I fix it? Could you fix it for me? That's what I'm saying.
I'm not touching it, and neither are you. But
I know, you're absolutely right.
that's fair, right?
Good thing I got it secured right now. I don't have to, sir. I have a security belt on this host.
You're about to call out anything.
It's not about to fall, sir. Yeah, it appears like it is. It's sunk a little, about a centimeter deeper.
Do you think a holster would be better to hold it in?
I don't have to ask that question. Like I say, my weapon is secured. Again,
You think it's a better choice?
everyone can see it.
Secure is a little subjective.
That's your terminology, sir.
But it's reasonable.
There you go.
It's reasonable that that's not really.
Let me know you're on my side and you're going to honor the oath and the Constitution. That's all I want to know. Are you all going to honor the oath and Constitution? Basically, can I go?
We went through this last time. What did I tell you last time?
To put it in my bag. Did I have on jogging pants last time? Yes, sir. I have on pants today.
What's your first name again? Right?
I just showed him my identification.
Right.
You have a mistaken identity, sir.
I thought it was Ryan.
No. I'm positive.
Well, whatever your name is, that's not it. I explained to you last time that if people are fearful of you, the way
I'm fearful of people, sir. This is an open carry state, man.
We went through this.
I don't carry weapons for real. When I'm back in a different town, different states, I don't have to carry a weapon because my security is around me. I'm out here by myself now, retired. On vacation. He's not with me every day. This is an open carry state, man. I don't know why they keep pushing up on me, man. It's people out here, I'm getting ready to cry right now. It's people out here with bigger weapons than me, and they keep pushing down on me, man. It's not fair, man. I'm tired of it. They're putting my life in danger, man. You're citizens that's calling the police on me. That's appear to be calling the policy offers public service on me, and you all are supposed to be public services, and you're not serving correct. You're trying to detain me right now for not breaking the law. It's an open carry state. I know, and I told you last time, sir, I'm not hurting anyone. I'm afraid, sir. This about to be the last time right here. I'm gonna get it to the White House this time.
All right.
Yes, sir. This the last time. This going to the White House. I won't go through this anymore. Absolutely. I know they want to kill President Trump just like they wanted to kill President Obama and like they did JFK and everyone else.
What made you move from Cleveland to Phoenix? Out of curiosity.
I don't have to ask that question, man. I just feel scared right now, man. I don't want to talk, man. I also got a disability. I feel like I'm about to die right now. Y'all scaring me I'm scared for my life, man. Don't worry about it, man. You all know already, man.
No, I don't. This is the first time
Oh, well, do the research, man. Sad, man. People can't even honor the oath in the Constitution. They think I'm a black man, so they want to keep calling the police on me. But I'm shutting them down. I'm not a black man. If I was a black man, I would have been arrested. That's why we don't see any black people open carrying out here in Arizona. But all these white people, they can open carry with bigger guns than me, and they calling the cops on me saying they're scared. Don't y'all see me work out in the park every day, run and stuff like that? Exactly. I'm a law-abiding citizen, and I help this community, and they're still trying to hurt me. I speak to everyone. I wave at you people and all this type of stuff. And this the response I get. I know it's some real bullshit. This an open carry state, and they need to leave right now. Somebody said that I was going crazy, and I told them I was listening to music and dancing. I like to do cardio exercise. So that should have been over with, and it should be gone already. This an open carry state. I didn't pull my gun out. I didn't harm nobody. I didn't put anybody in danger. Oh, I know they can't take me to jail. Ignorance of the law is no excuse. Absolutely. Hey, have a good day, lady. Please have a good day. I don't want to get you involved in this. They're trying to bully people, man. They probably be...
We're going to be done here in a minute.
Yes, sir.
Here's what I'm going to tell you, okay? You're right as far as the way you can carry. However, be very careful when you're carrying your weapon, when you pull it out, okay? Because depending on if we get a call because you pull that out, okay?
I hasn't pulled it out, but we're going to listen to him. Shh, please.
Okay,
Let him
I'm
talk.
talking to him, not you. Understood?
Let him talk, sir, please.
Okay, if you pull it out, and depending on how it's displayed, you could be charged for disorderly conduct with a handgun. You could be charged for disorderly conduct with a handgun.
In Arizona, openly carrying a firearm is legal. However, brandishing or displaying it in a threatening way could be disorderly conduct. Simply having it visible in a holster is not a crime.
You understand?
I hear you, sir. I never pulled my weapon out.
I'm not saying you did. I'm saying if you do. Okay? So we're done here.
What if I pull it out to conceal it? Is that illegal? If I pull it out to conceal it, is that illegal?
No.
Okay.
When you're putting away, but when you're in public, use common sense. That's all I'm going to tell you. Okay?
This common law too, right?
So with common sense.
Do you know common law?
Okay. You understand what I'm telling you, Brian?
I hear you.
Okay, we're done here, man.
And I would like you address me as my title, sir. Stop calling me Brian.
Okay, what is your title?
Prince Bay.
Prince Bay. You understand what I just told you?
I hear you, sir.
Okay.
Prince, do you have internet on that phone?
That's not your business, sir.
Well, if you do, type in disorderly conduct with a firearm.
I don't have to do that, sir. I'm not breaking any laws. This is an open carry state. Nice try.
Read what it says.
I've been read the laws in and out. I'm honoring both sides of the jurisdiction. I'm a dual citizenship, and you all should be honoring the Peace and Friendship Treaty established in 1787. You all were long told and warned long ago. Peace and Friendship Treaty, 1787. You wasn't born then.
Now, if somebody lies about him,
If somebody lies, that's no excuse. So I don't want to see you all again.
we know you guys were involved in that shit.
No, I'm not. I didn't do anything. I want to see y'all downtown Tuesday with all them guns and push up on them people. When Trump come in town, when all them white people come with bigger guns, I want to see y'all down there. We done.
She claims just 2 drinks, yet officers deem her impaired. Refusing full cooperation, demanding badge numbers, and resisting the patrol car escalate the scene. Threatened with pepper spray, she's arrested for DUI, battery, and resisting arrest. The outcome, 15 months probation, a $1,000 fine, and a lasting record, shows how one choice behind the wheel can alter a lifetime. Control the wheel, control your future.